What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. I want to take it back a little bit. Take it back. You're probably wondering, like, oh, here we go again. Taking back what? Now, what are you gonna take back? Well, anyways, I need to go back because somebody told me, like, yo, you need to make more. I don't understand what this is, and I don't know what I'm looking at, and how do I start? And I was thinking, like, damn, I remember when I used to think like that, and I still think like that. So I'm gonna show you what I use to code in, and probably maybe explain why. I guess I'll give you my personal opinion and why I like this software, and I might name a few other ones along the way, but the whole point is I'm gonna show you, like, what do you code on? What do you write code, or what do you write this JavaScript thing that you're doing? So I'm gonna show you, alright? So stay tuned. Stay tuned, like this is a show. Anyways. Okay, dope. Now let's check it out. So I'm gonna show you what I use. Obviously I use Microsoft Visual Code. I'm gonna go down the list of the downloads. I'm going to show you how to download it or where to go just by, I don't know, follow through. Alright, so anyways, let's just go to Google, do a Google search. I didn't even spell Google right. Okay, and I'm going to put, I have a Mac, so I'm gonna show you for Mac. And then hopefully this wherever I download it, it'll probably show you the link to do the Windows download as well. So I'm just gonna say download Microsoft Visual Code. For me is right here, so let's type it out. So usually I'll pick the first one, but let's go here, the visualstudio.microsoft.com. That's like an official website, maybe. Yes, it is. And then now Visual Studio, not Visual Studio. Microsoft Visual Code is a free download. So all you gotta do is hit download, and then it'll tell you. It lets you know what package. So in my case, I'm Mac OS, so I would download this. Windows, I'll tell you right there, the Windows x64, which is the only option you got there. So that's how you would do it. So you download it. You probably get a note for Mac users. You probably get like a notice, like asking you, are you sure if you want to open it, because it's not like from an app store, like an official Apple. It's not an official Mac product. So it'll probably ask you if you want to download it. Just hit yes, and once you download Microsoft Visual Code, you're on your way to start coding, start doing some JavaScript, HTML, or any language that you're ready to write in. So all right, y'all. That's the end of my video. Now you know how to download Microsoft Visual Studio Code or Microsoft Visual Code on your computer, especially if you have a Mac, because I showed you in that. But if you saw the Microsoft website, it said how it gave you the Windows option right there. So I would recommend going from there. And again, using Microsoft Visual Code is it's free. You don't have to pay. Some text editor, a lot of text editors will ask you to pay subscription fees and whatnot, but Visual Code is definitely a free, and it's a really powerful tool, and I love using it. I've used brackets, I use other ones, and I haven't found really the affection than using visual code. Probably my second one would be Atom, and then brackets, and then everything else is like an afterthought pretty much. So unless I'm doing Xcode, then you know obviously Xcode is Xcode, but that's irrelevant. But that's it for my video. If you like this video, honestly I felt like I didn't put any effort in this video, and I kind of feel shameful. So maybe some of my corny humor will suffice the lack of content that I provided to you today. So peace.